Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now before I start today, I just want to drive the point in to subscribe to my channel. Only 0.2% of you guys that watch my videos are subscribed. That's the equivalent to, for every 600 views that I get, one of the 600 people is subscribed. So that'd be a great favor if you could just subscribe. It's a click of a button for you. It means a whole lot more to me, especially if you want to keep seeing me make content. Okay, now today, I know my Game Pigeon series has kind of taken off and you guys want more of it, so I'm going to make a video today on how to always win at 8-ball in Game Pigeon. Okay, let's get straight into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and text myself 8-ball. Let's see, find Game Pigeon, there we go. 8-ball, it's probably the most common game, and we're just gonna have game mode 8-ball, difficulty normal. And there's some cool sticks you can buy if you're really into it. And let's go ahead and send that to myself. Now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is how to break. And breaking is where you take the triangle, I don't know what it's called, and you shoot the balls into every corner or whatever. Now, I found that pretty much if you angle it so that the line goes down any diagonal row, it will automatically go in, so like this. So here's one example. As you can see, one ball went in. And now I'm going to continue playing. And another tip is you can take a ruler, you can take the game, and you can measure to see if it's gonna go in. So as I can see, looks like it's gonna miss. So I'm gonna angle it like that. And looks like it's gonna miss. So I'm gonna angle it a little more farther that way. That looks like it's gonna go in. So then I pull the thing, just like that, it went in. Okay, now another tip I'm going to be telling you guys is hit the ball softer than you think. There's no point to pull it back as hard as you can and just fire away. There's no point in that. You want to finesse it, and you want to hit the ball gently. It's gonna get there. That way, if you miss, when you hit it, it's not gonna go all around and hit the 8-ball in. Now, my third point is always be mindful where the second line is going. The second line is the direction that the white ball is going to go. And to prove that point, I'm going to show you that if I do this, let me choose a ball, and if I angle it so that the second line is aiming for one of the pockets, if you hit it light enough or just enough, it should go in. I've lined it up with the pocket, and that's where the white ball is going to go. So you want to make sure that there's absolutely no chance that the white ball is going to go into a pocket when you're on your last hit, because you'll lose the game when the 8-ball goes in and the white ball as well goes in. So you want to always be mindful of that. Okay, so another point is this thing on the right. I bet you've never noticed it. So let me get it here. Clear shot. There. Wait, okay, we're stripes. The white ball is going to be going towards this pocket down here. Now this red ball creates spin. and as you can see, it spins, it curves, it makes a wide curve and goes right in. So if you want this to be reliable, I'd say keep it in the middle. But yeah, that's the whole hack for today, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I need more subscribers. I need 1,000. I need 1,000 subscribers, and I only have 88. And I don't know, altogether viewers, I probably have 100,000. So please, could 0.01% of you subscribe. That'd be amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I've been told that I haven't driven this point in enough, and I'll see you next week.